This is puppy number 3, Odinn.
So chose to stay with me instead of looking at the environment.
Well, I think he was looking at the environment, but using you
instead
as...
of leaving.
Yeah.
Yeah. They made excellent eye contact approaching me. Beautiful eye contact. Hi. Oh, hello. Aren't you a cutie pie? Oh, you're a snuggle bunny. You are a snuggle bunny. Mm-hmm.
He'll just stare in my eyes. Long, like that. Longest time.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking for. Like mouthing. Very, very gentle. Hi. Hi. Okay. You a little yawn.
Okay, let's go through the toys.
Tug, right?
Yeah. Or tug, yes. Chase and tug.
A little chase. What's that? What's that? What's that? Okay, I'll come back to this. Let me try to chase. Or let me audition something different. What's that? Is that easier? Huh? Huh?
Why are you trying to get us? Get me one of
Good job.
He's in your living room.
What's this?
Here, Ryan. You guys want to wash your hands? I hope not. Yeah, maybe. We can.
Yes. You know what that makes me go to Wait, do you have ramen?
I
Can we all go? Because also I don't really know.
No retreat. A little cowering. On approach. Let me try to saw the statue and backed away. Let's know it's scared. I'm so scared. There you go. Go get it. Go get it. Yay! What's that? What you got? Oh, what you got? Yay! Good job! Here. Yay! I'm gonna let her hold it for a little bit.
Yeah. So did he retrieve the paper?
So dropped. No retrieve, no tug, no follow.
Thank you for blessing me. Because I'm your God.
Likes the rollers, so I would say maybe soft object.
You can't do that part of the test yet.
Can you ask me that?
Yeah, so this is your Eva.
Okay, pause and stop and look at the statue.